Hello everyone, this is Yash here. Today I'm here to share some of my good experiences of my life. Basically my father is having a severe knee joint pain since last 10 years, and to get some relief from that pain we tried everything. We did allopathy, herbal medicine, homeopathy treatments. Even my father went with steroid and ozone gas injections as well, but he didn't get that much relief by to reduce the knee pain. So finally, mentally he decided to go with the surgery, and from some of our relatives and family members we got Mr. Dr. Dhiraj sir's reference. And yeah, we met the Dhiraj sir, and seems like he is a very kind, and I am an engineer, so I can say he's a very medically technical person to perform this surgery. So yeah, he is an expert surgeon. So yeah, we are mentally prepared for that operation. And just 2 days ago my father just did his both knees operations together, and after 2 days he is used to walk like 50 steps, 100 steps, and we are like, wow, what an amazing treatment it is. And there is no pain in his knees, even no blood loss, no catheters in his knees as well as urinary catheter, nothing is there. And he is just taking normal oral medicines nowadays, and I think after 3 days he is used to go at his home as well. So we are very glad. Even the team members here, we are in EpicHospital, so all the staff members, team members of the Dhiraj sirs, especially Mr. Rahul Jain, Dr. Rahul Jain sir, Alpesh Soni sirs, and all the team members, we are really glad to have you to perform these operations and get some relief for my father's knee pain. So thank you so much everybody, thank you.